Artificial intelligence, in its broadest sense, in intelligence exhibited by machines, particularly computer systems. It is a field of research in computer science that develops and studies methods and software that enable machines to perceive their environment and use learning and intelligence to take action that maximizing their chances of achieving their goals. History of artificial intelligence. The study of mechanical or formal reasoning began with philosopher and mathematician in antiquity. The study of logic led directly to Alan Turing theory of computation, which suggested that a machine, by suffering symbols as simple as 0 and 1, could simulate any conceivable form of mathematical reasoning. These, along with concurrent discoveries in cybernetics, information theory, and neurobiology, led researchers to consider the possibility of building an electronic brain. They developed several areas of research that would become part of AI, such as PITS, designed for artificial neurons in 1943, and Turning's influence 1950 paper Computing Machine and Intelligence, which introduced the Turing test and showed the machine intelligence was plausible.
Future of AI. Yes, super intelligence is a hypothetical agent that would possess intelligence of far surpassing that of the brightest and most gifted human mind. If research into artificial general intelligence produced sufficiently intelligent software, it might be able to reprogram and improving itself. The improved software would be even better at improving itself, leading to what I.J. Good called an intelligent explosion and Werner Winge called a singularity. However, um, technologies cannot improve exponentially indefinitely and typically follow an S shaped curve, slowing when they reach the physical limits of what the technology can do. Transhumanism. Robot designer Hans Moravec, cyberneticist Kevin Warwick, and inventor Ray Kurzweil have predicted that humans and machines will merge in the future into cyborgs that are more capable and powerful than either. This idea, called transhumanism, has roots in Aldous Huxley and Robert Edinger. Edward Fredkin argues that uh, artificial intelligence is the next stage in evaluation, an idea first proposed by Samuel Butler's Darwin Among the Machines as far back as in 1863 and expanded upon by George Dyson in his 1998 book Darwin Among the Machines, The Evaluation of Global Intelligence. Thank you.
The general problem of simulating or creating intelligence has been broken into sub-problems. These consent of particular trials or capability that research expert and intelligence system to display. The trials described below have received the most attention and cover the scope of AI research, reasoning and problem solving. Early research developed algorithms that simulating step by step reasoning that humans use when they solve problem or make logical deduction. By the late 1980s and 1990s, methods were developed for dealing with unclean or incomplete information employing concept from probability and economic. Many of these algorithms are unsuitable for solving large reasoning problems because they experience as combination.
About ethics, AI has potential benefits and potential risk. AI may be able to advance science and find solutions for serious problems. Demis Hassabis of DeepMind hopes to solve intelligence and then use that to solve everything else. However, as the uses of AI has become widespread, several united consequences and risks have been identified in production system can sometimes non-factor ethics and bias into their AI training process, especially when the AI algorithms are inherently unexplainable in the learning. Machine learning algorithms require large amount of data. The techniques used to acquire this data have raised concerns about privacy and surveillance and copyright. AI has powered device and service such as virtual assistance and IoT product continuously collect personal information, raise concern about instructive data gathering and unauthorized access by third party. The losses of privacy in further by AI's ability to process and combine vast amount of data, potentially leading to a surveillance society where individual activities are constantly monitored and analyzed without adequate safeguards of transparency.
Search and optimization. AI can solve many problems by intelligently searching, though many possible solutions. There are two very different kind of search used in AI: state space search and local search. First, state space search. A state space search searches through a tree of possible states to try to find a goal state. For example, planning algorithms search the trees of goals and sub-goals, attempting to find a path to a target goal, a process called means in analysis. Simple exhaustive searches are rarely sufficient of sufficient for most real world problems. The search space, the number of places to search, quickly grow to astronomically numbers. The result is search that is too slow or never completest. Heuristics or rules of thumb can help priorities choice that are more likely to reach a goal. Local search use mathematically optimization to find a solution to a problem. It begins with some from a guess and refines it incrementally. Gaussian descent is a type of local search that optimizes a set of numerical parameters by incrementally adjusting them to minimize a loss function. Variants of gra- gradient descent are commonly used to train neural networks. Another type of local search is evolutionary computation, which aims to iteratively improve a set of candidate solution by mutation, mutating and recombining them. Selection only that fittest to survey each generation. Distributed search process can coordinate vi- Viva swarm intelligence algorithms. Two popular swarm algorithms used in search: a practical swarm optimization inspired by bird flocking and ant colony optimization inspired by ant trails. Thank you.